The main area that I service is Winter Garden because I live out here in this area and there is so much to pick from. I actually broke it out into 5 different segments because you have the downtown Winter Garden area, then you have stuff that's by Lake Apopka that's in Winter Garden that's maybe a mile or two away from the downtown area. That's a whole nother section. I'm out here in this area right now, which you can see what's behind me here, a humongous piece of land. I'm not sure exactly how many acres off the top of my head, but that's probably at least 4 acres of land. There are people that have horses and animals, farms, you name it. And this is a dirt road, a quiet dirt road, and this is a quiet area, but believe it or not, you're only a few miles away from mass construction and a whole different area out here. But I'm going to do an aerial to show you this whole thing. But it's like a wide, long section that goes north and south here in Winter Garden. There are all kinds of options. And there's a lot of people that want to not live in an HOA community. They want to have their own farm. They want to be in a quiet area, and they want to do their own thing. And this is a prime location to do that. I'd be the perfect guy to get a hold of out here because I can tell you exactly what's for sale. I also do a lot of listings, so I can help you find a listing or anybody that needs to list something. I'd be a perfect guy to deal with to help you get something sold. So I'm going to do a little drive-by just to show you some of this on the video. It's not going to be that long because it's too hard to put it all in just a video. But this is a great area. I love this area of Winter Garden. This is like old Winter Garden, old Orlando, decades ago, when there used to be all kinds of orange groves and farms and raw land and quietness. That's not what's happened out here in Florida now. This whole area is booming like crazy. Every square inch of land is getting bought out. But this whole section here, it's not going to turn into that because you have a lot of these homes that are non-HOA with plots of land, big sized land that people want to live out here. And this is a dirt road. Maybe at some point it'll get paved down the road, but right now it's not. And I'm going to drive down this dirt road and show you what it looks like. Just one of many. Literally only a few miles away from where I was on those dirt roads. And you know, if I zoom in here, I don't know if you could see it or not, but that's downtown Orlando. That's about 20 miles away from here, but you can see downtown Orlando there. That road out there is the 429. You could take that road south down to Western Way, and that will run into the back entrance into the Disney property. And there's tons of things still getting built out here. It's just amazing. The growth has been absolutely incredible. That's a Orlando Health Hospital over there. You have access to other highways. They're actually building another highway. You see me zooming there. That's another toll road that's getting built that's going to take people out to Clearmont. So just imagine you can actually have property that feels like you're out in the country with all this growth out here near everything. It'd be incredible for people that have the money, that want to have land, they don't want to live under HOA, they want to maybe have a little bit of a farm on their property. Perfect place to get a hold of me for.